Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you a new workplace game called the Clock Game. And for this game, I'm going to be showing you how to play this game by yourself, just because I know there have been plenty of kiddos who have been struggling to find someone to play with. And there is a way that you can easily play this game by yourself. You're just going to be kind of racing the clock and seeing how quickly you can finish the game. And then you could always let your classmates know your time and see who wins that way. All right, so for this game, you're going to spin both spinners on your first play, and you're adding up the sum of those two fractions on the clock. Now, your goal is to try to shade in entire clocks and go on to the next clock. Now, if you spin a fraction too big for a clock, you can split that fraction up to finish a clock and then go on to the next one. The only catch to that is on the third clock, you have to spin the exact right number to completely fill it in. Now, if you're playing by yourself, you can just go ahead and use this sheet right here. If you're playing against one, there is two sheets so that one person's playing there, one person's playing there. Again, I'm playing by myself, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm just going to start a timer here, and then I'm racing the time. So I'm going to click start, and let's go. So I am adding 3/4 and 4/12. So I'm going to start by filling in 3/4, which is like this. There's 3/4. Plus. Now, I only have 3/12 left, so I'm going to split this into 3/12 and then 1/12 on the next. Equals 1, and then I can fill in 1/12 of my next clock. I only have to go one turn on that clock. Equals 1, and now down here I so far have 1/12. And let's see what we're going to match 1/12 with. Spin, 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 plus 5/12. Let's see what that equals. One, 2, 3, 4, 5/12. Ooh, gives me to a half, because that's 6/12, which is equal to a half. Now at this point, I can kind of choose which spinner I'm going to go with here. These numbers look a little higher, so I'm going to go with my top spinner. I've got plenty of time left. Ooh, 11/12. We can split that up. So now I have 1/2 plus, it's not a 12, 1/2 plus 6/12 equals 1 whole. Plus 6/12 equals 1. And that means I have 5 more 12ths to fill in down here. All right, we're getting there. Okay, now we got to spin again. Recording. 4/12. So we'll fill those in. 1, 2, 3, 4/12. Which 5/12 plus 4/12 gives us 9/12. 9/12. We've got 3/12 left. Let's see, there is 3/12 on this spinner, so I'm going to just spin like crazy here, trying to race the clock. 5/6 is too big, because remember on the last spin you have to get exactly that. I can put 1/6 on here. Right here is 1/6. 2/12 is 1/6. So I have 9/12. Whoa! Plus 1/6 gave me 11/12. Now I just need 1/12. All right, here's where I'm just going to spin like crazy till I get 1/12. Trying to race the clock. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Fill it in. Plus equals 1. Woo! 4 minutes and 59 seconds. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write that time down. 4 minutes, 59 seconds was my time. So here's where I could send that time to a friend, a classmate, and see what they got. I could use my web paint here, take a picture of this screen. Remember that picture capture and send it to them so they can check my work, and then see who won the game. Now, thinking strategy about this game, we have to understand fractions to be able to break them down, right? Otherwise, we just end up losing some turns. So keep that in mind as you're playing this game.